I literally just got done reporting on a storm that is perking the ears of emergency management crews throughout the region because of it being described as having the potential to be an extreme storm. I literally just got off my shift of reporting in Kootenai County out towards Hayden because they are bracing for that possibility of high winds to hit the area. And one of the reasons why they're really keeping a close eye on this and its potential is because of the combination of high winds and our wet and saturated soil that's looking to bring us the possibility for some widespread problems. That includes power outages, downed trees, falling debris, and they're also saying that's bringing some echoes of our windstorm from back in January of 2021. That proved to be deadly and had widespread damage. So of course, we're going to continue to keep you updated on the storm as it moves through the area, both on air and online.